everyone, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Today we are at Cuivre River State Park in Troy, Missouri.
We're going to hike the Lakeside Trail. It's 3.5 miles. Stay with us. Don't slip, I slipped.
This is slickery and weird. Walking on a fence. Hey Matt, you're on a balance beam. You okay? Well, this is fun.
Have a nice view down the chute.
Yeah, good thing there's a bridge down there for us to go on.
So if you've never done the Lakeside Trail here at Cuivre River, if you go from the direction that we are going now, when you hit this intersection, it's easy to miss. We know because we've missed it before, but you gotta hang a left here.
Yep. That way. I've never been up there. We're gonna go up there. See the view up there. Should be a good time. 118 steps. That's top to get to a campground. We've gotten to the north end of the lake, and over there you can see a swimming beach. Not a fishing beach, a swimming beach. In the summer, this is a pretty busy spot to come. So, they got a bathhouse and parking lot. Place where the geese usually aren't hanging out. Most of the time there's people. Okay, we are finished. Went all the way around. Pretty day out on the lake.
Well, we just finished up a 4-mile loop around the lake on a beautiful day.
Till next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.